What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk some Ripple XRP. This is where we look into kind of what's going on with the overall market. We're going to show you guys a little bit of my thoughts and get into some XRP talk that I think that if you guys have been invested or holding XRP for quite some time, this is going to be a little bit refreshing as we look into some of the price predictions for Ripple and XRP as we are continuing to decline despite having all of these positive kind of news headlines. Pump, where's the pump? The pump is just not coming. So, will it ever come? Nobody has that crystal ball, guys. Not financial advice. We're going to get into it, though, because I want to share with you guys a little bit of my insight and get you guys on your way. All right. But first, if you have not done so, if you're new to the channel, this is a perfect opportunity for you all to subscribe down below. Smash that like button and let's get into it, okay? And feel free, if you want to put your kind of prediction for XRP and that price target down below, make sure you do that as well. I love reading when you guys do that. All right, but this is what we have XRP on the chart, 44 cents. So discount on aisle 3 if you truly believe in what Ripple's doing. This is definitely on daily candles, something very, very appetizing. We are dropping below this line that I drew. This is kind of my benchmark for me. All right, and this is how I've been looking at XRP. And I tell you guys, I just want to reiterate, we look back into May of 2022. This blue line is signaling basically higher lows, and the higher lows are great as you look for this organic nice ascension. So call it what you want, just appreciation. I don't know what you want to call it, but I look at it as a 2-year time period where 2 years plus where XRP has pretty much, with the exception of where we're at right now, traded above this blue line. So if this trajectory holds true, and we keep to this pattern, this is what we're looking at kind of in a longer term outlook. But I do foresee XRP to get above this blue line very quickly. So if you're looking for a quick swing trade, obviously not financial advice, but at 44 cents, I firmly believe that XRP will hit 50 plus very, very shortly. So, that opens up the door for a little bit over, I believe, 14% roughly, if you want to just do some quick math on that one. And if you do trade anything like that, any leverage trading, make sure you guys all use my link down below. Get signed up with Margex today. There is a link in my description if you want to help out the channel. Just by registering, you have a chance to claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. There's no KYC. Make sure Margex is right for you where you're located. And by all means, if you want to get trading up to 100x leverage after doing your own due diligence within Margex, sign up today using my link down below. All right, but back into it. This is where the price prediction that we're seeing. A bearish pennant, 35 cents next support. I'm just going to kind of breeze through a couple of these, a couple of the highlights, right? Bitcoin's holdings in Germany are now down to 22,800. That's less than half of the original bag that Germany has had for their government. Quite frankly, get them out. Get them out. I don't want government entities owning crypto. That's just my 2 cents, okay? XRP, we're seeing that resistance up at 45, 47, and 48 in terms of resistance levels. But that bear flag that has just flashed, as you can see right here, by this bear pennant, this is where you're looking at even more downside if TA holds true. But for me, guys, I don't really use TA for much but tiebreakers. If I do anything, I trust my trading indicator, XT Algo. Right now, we're flashing momentum down, but like I said, I'm going to trust my blue line too. And I know it sounds stupid and silly and very kind of, elementary in a way, but it's true. It's held true for the last 2 years. So that's kind of where I'm looking at in terms of XRP. Simple way to trade XRP, and it's not financial advice, but if we drop below this blue line, buy XRP. If we get above the blue line, then you can think about kind of, just navigating back and forth or just, accumulate below this level. And I think that's where you're going to be in a good spot. So, but right now, quite frankly, not a lot of people have been buying XRP. They're waiting to see what happens with the courtroom. That's kind of how I'm looking at it too. But this is where an opportunity awaits, because if we do get positive sentiment and bullish news, then all bets are off. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at. Also, we're seeing a little bit of the court setting deadlines. Okay, this was coming out from Crypto Barbie. July 8th is the narrowed motion to seal. The 26th is the deadline to file a notice related to exclusion of experts' testimony. And Judge Torres' final decision, the final decision of the final decision of the final decision that's gone on for years, is expected by the end of July. So That's what we're looking at. Look for XRP to kind of independently move, not kind of correlate with Bitcoin. Maybe have a little bit of breaking away from that Bitcoin dominance. Okay, but this is kind of the bottom line, guys. XRP continues to face challenges despite positive market sentiment. All right. Now, this is where I'm going to tell you guys kind of my insight. I was just actually talking with a buddy yesterday that big on XRP, believes in XRP, knows what they're doing, but doesn't really know why he's buying XRP. Well, that's kind of where I think the rest of the market is. And it's not just XRP. There's a lot of other cryptos I can lump into that category. Why are we buying crypto? And I think that's kind of the mindset that a lot of people are at. You know, if we want to get that retail element back into crypto, there has to be a narrative, right? There has to be a narrative. And it could be just some made up narrative like, oh my gosh, we're going to, so whatever it takes to be that catalyst. Okay, back in 2021, there was a lot of that GME, right? The GameStop, the short squeeze that was going on. A lot of people made a lot of money in that, and they parlayed that into crypto. So maybe we get something along the lines of the election this year. Who knows? I'm just spitballing right now, but I think for kind of a take-home message, if you're out at a restaurant, a bar, or whatever, and somebody's talking about XRP, that's not a bad thing, right? That's a good thing. Keep the narrative going. Keep talking about crypto. Keep following it. You can't stay dormant. And I told him, I said, you bought all this XRP. You don't need the money. Just forget about it. Just forget about it. If you believe in what XRP is doing, one of these days, you're going to understand why you bought XRP. That's the goal. That's the mindset. It's a long-term perspective for me. As always, guys, everybody has a different financial situation. So please do not confuse this with financial advice. Just giving you guys my opinions as it relates to crypto. But I wanted to share with you that message on your way out. So like I said, though, we talk crypto every single day right here on the channel. If you're new here, make sure you guys all give me a subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. As always, check out the links down below in the description, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.